Are you struggling with the empty spaces around your room? Let me show you how Dream Home can fix it while still making your space very appealing and spacious. Today, we are here at Siyang Salcedo kung saan dinesign namin ang shoe cabinet, TV console, dining cabinet, and the display cabinet ng condominium na ito. So let me show you first the shoe cabinet of this space. So as you can see, this also serves as the foyer of this condominium. And when we say foyer, it is where our guests can wait for the owner of the house. Here, meron tayong mga shoe cabinet and these are all push to open. Yan. The door, different from the door panels na ginagamit namin usually. Ito po ay isang skeleton line door panel where makita nyo yung parang frame niya is naka-outward. And here naman, kaya kami nagagay dito ng space para makaupo yung mga guests kapag tatanggalin nila or susutin nila yung shoes. Tapos meron din ditong push to open na drawer. And other than that, meron din siyang LED strip dito na open. And meron din dito sa ilalim. Meron din ditong push to open na cabinet for storage purposes. It is made from rattan and the frame is made from the board with the texture. So next, here naman tayo sa display cabinet and meron ding LED strip dito and ito yung switch niya. Very small, pero hindi siya halata. So dito naman, ang ginamit namin ay glass door with aluminum framing in black color. And dito pa yung handle niya sa ilalim. And here naman, another storage. Same door used in the cabinet here. And we've also added the switch here para sa mga ilaw sa ceiling. So next is yung TV console. So ang TV console, ginawa namin to para malagay yung TV, of course. Kaya may butas dito kasi gawa dito sa wood. And hindi pwede lagyan ng TV yung mga ganitong type of wall. Dito na lang siya ilalagay, tapos yung mga wirings dito na lang. And meron din siyang drawer na push to open. Meron ding space for rattan basket kasi ito ang request ng client. Up until here, may storage siya. Ayan. So ang last na part na dinesign na namin is yung dining cabinet. Ang height na ito is 600mm. So bakit 600mm? So para dito rin ilagay ng mga client yung mga other accessories niya and machines para sa kitchen niya, such as yung coffee maker, microwave kung gusto niya, or pwede ring air fryer. And other than that, meron din siyang LED strip for display purposes para ma-emphasize yung mga collections niya dito or kaya yung mga coffee na collections niya. And meron din siyang overhead cabinet na push to open. Yan. Similar din yung door na ginamit namin. Skeleton line door panel. Para cohesive siya. Dito rin, pero in different color naman. Before ko makalimutan, ang boards na ginamit namin ay Fern Board Series, known for its durability and wide range of colors and patterns sa mga boards. So, meron din tayong rail socket dito. So, very different siya sa mga rail socket na meron tayo. Kasi, usually, ginaganon yung rail socket natin. Pero dito, ipupush tong button para matanggal. Yan. Tapos babalik natin. Tapos para ma-activate, gaganito mo. Ito ang mga dinesignan namin sa Siyang Salcedo na condominium unit na ito. For me, I really like how the designer play with colors. Kahit dalawa lang siya, white and brown. Pero nakapag-combine niya ito successfully and it's because both of them are in warm tone of color. Kaya sobrang ganda niya tingnan and very spacious din tingnan yung area na to. So if you are interested in designing your home like this, you can message us with our respective contact details or you can message us through our social media pages. And this is Dream Home. You dream it, we build it.